In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your test and live Stripe API keys from your Stripe account. This is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you step by step, ensuring that you can easily access these keys for your development needs. So, let's dive in and get those API keys without any hassle. First off, open Google or any browser you prefer. Type in Stripe in the search bar. Once you hit enter, you'll be directed to the Stripe homepage. It's a clean and intuitive page that's hard to miss. On the top right corner of this homepage, you'll see a button labeled Dashboard. Go ahead and click on this. Now, if you've previously logged into Stripe, you'll be directed to your dashboard immediately. However, if you're new to Stripe, you'll need to sign in with your credentials. Don't worry if you don't have an account yet, you can create one quickly by following the on-screen instructions. Once you're logged in, you will be greeted by your personalized Stripe dashboard. From this dashboard, take a look at the left-hand side menu. Here, you'll find several options. You need to select the one labeled Developers. Clicking on this will lead you to additional options focused around development tools, which are essential for integrating Stripe's functionalities. Within the Developers section, you will see a menu option called API Keys. Click on it, and right there, you'll find your test and live API keys. These are crucial for your integration processes, allowing you to test transactions in a sandbox environment as well as live in production. Once you've accessed your API keys, you can easily copy them to your clipboard. From here, it's just a matter of storing them securely. You can paste them into your development environment or wherever you need them. However, always remember to handle these keys with care. They grant access to your Stripe account, and misuse could lead to real transactions being processed inadvertently. Security is paramount when dealing with API keys, so make sure they are stored safely and shared only with trusted individuals or systems. And that's it! You've successfully located and retrieved your test and live API keys from Stripe. By following these straightforward steps, you've obtained the tools you need to integrate Stripe into your application securely. Remember, always use your keys responsibly, and you're on your way to effectively managing payments with Stripe. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, feel free to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks.